Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new adventures. Take a look at this new 2024 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon X in bright white. With steel front bumper, performance suspension, 17-inch aluminum wheels, removable rear quarter windows, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 15,000 miles on the odometer, 12.3-inch touchscreen, navigation, Alpine premium audio system, Rock Track heavy-duty full-time four-wheel drive system, Sky one-touch power top, hinge gate reinforcement by Mopar, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7935.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.